what are the open and the closed circuits. But before we know what are these circuits, we must know what is an electric circuit. So basically, electric circuit is a closed, or we can say it is an arrangement of various components, and these are so arranged so that the electric current can pass through them. So now when the electric current passes through the electric circuit, it always starts from the positive terminal of the cell and goes to the negative terminal of the cell. Now I will explain the basic components that will be required in the electric circuit. The first is the connecting wire. So wire is always drawn with the help of straight lines. Then there is a bulb. Bulb is usually drawn like this. When you show some lines over it, then it is in the on position, and when you don't show these lines, you clearly show with the help of a circle, then we say that it is in the off position. Now we have a switch. When the switch is in the on position, you show it like this, and in the off position you show it in this position. We always say it is in the on position and it is in the off position, or we say the switch is closed when it is in the on position, or the switch is open in the off position. And the last we have the cell, that is the positive terminal is bigger and negative terminal is smaller. Now when we have these four components, we can now describe what are the open circuits and what are the closed circuits. So whenever the switch is in the on position, that means the switch is closed. We say the electric current is passing through the electric circuit. So such type of circuit is known as the closed circuit. And when the switch is in the off position, that means switch is open, we say the circuit is in the open position. That means, now I will draw the two circuits. Suppose I have a bulb which is in the on position, then I have a cell, then with the help of wires I am drawing the switch. Now as you can clearly see, the switch is in the closed position, that means it is in the on position. So the circuit is a closed circuit, and when I am drawing the bulb, then I am drawing the cell, and then I am drawing the switch. Now the switch is in the off position. So such circuit is a open circuit, and this was a closed circuit. But sometimes you can see that sometimes the switch is also closed, but the wires have been not joined properly. There are some gaps in the wires. So when there are some gaps in the wires, the current will not flow properly. Such circuits are also known as the open circuits. So whenever the bulb glows, that means the current is flowing in the circuit. That circuit is a closed circuit. And when the current is not passing through the circuit and the bulb is not glowing, that comes in the category of the open circuits. So this was everything about the closed and the open circuits. We have discussed the major symbols of the electric components. We have discussed the wire, the bulb, the switch and the cell. All these are arranged in a proper symbol using some arrangements which are known as the electric circuits. And that circuit is of two types, that is open and the closed. Now in the open circuit, the bulb glows, that means switch is in the open position. But in the closed circuit, the switch is in the on position, that means circuit is closed. And when the bulb is not glowing, the circuit is incomplete, we say that it is in the open position.